Oh, okay. What do we have to play here? Okay. Guys, we're gonna go play this. You want to play me? Here's my account. Feel like a girl like me. Okay. What do we have to play? Okay. I don't have much of this account because I don't know, but I have part of basket. I don't know what is that. But okay, we're just gonna go play with that. Okay, here we go. Nobody knows who you are. I'm just a regular girl who has to big a big girl. Okay guys, we're here. When I fall, I'm going to dance this. Okay, I'm gonna dance like I'm I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance. Tik TikTok wash up. I'm gonna dance TikTok wash up. Whoa, no, I'm gonna go dance. Okay, guys, last chance. I don't have. I have any of my rebuild. I don't have. Sorry, guys, I'm not updated because um I'm not cheating. Okay, I'm not cheating. If I cheat, I'm going to go to the zone. Okay, bro, I'm lagging. I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging. Okay, guys, 3, 2, 1, go. Ready, go. 3, 2, 1. Like, yeah! Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, that's a account. Sorry.